There's like 50 kids.
Charlie's just standing there looking at her.
There you go. Like that way.
Don't you want an egg?
M-I-C-K-E-Y-M-O-U-S-E Mickey Mouse, forever hold our banner high. Come along and sing a song and join the family. M-I-C-K-E-Y-M-O-U-S-E.
Hey, Charlie. Very good job.
M-I-C-K-E-Y-M-O-U-S-E. Mickey Mouse, wherever you hold the banner high. Come along and sing the song and join the family.
Kids and all right, kids. You guys exit this way.
Let's see. Yes. There's no mic. Here we go.
There's only one thing left to do.
Left to do. Here we go. One thing left to do right here. There's only one thing left to do. On an auspicious day such as this, with all you wonderful people, so much creativity, with Dick and Dyke here and the Fantastics. Kids, you've been making kites all day long. I think it's time we fly them. What do you think, Dick?
I think so.
Oh, we get to see him sing.
You can have your own set of wings. With your feet on the ground, you're a bird in flight. With your fist holding tight, ba-da-dum-bum, through the string of your kite.
Everybody join us.
Oh, let's go fly a kite up to the highest height. Let's go fly a kite and send it soaring up to the atmosphere, up where the air is clear. Oh, let's go fly a kite.
When you see him flying up there, oh, at once you're lighter than air. You can fly with the breeze over houses and trees. With your fist holding tight, ba-da-dum-bum, to the string of your kite.
Nice and loud, everybody.
Let's go fly a kite up to the highest height. Let's go fly a kite and send it soaring up to the atmosphere, up where the air is clear. Oh, let's go fly a kite.
We're going to take one quick photo of that. The worst mic ever. Thank you, everybody. Thank you.
You made
Do Creativity Days next year.
Yes!
You made my anniversary today. 33 years.
Thank you. Bye, everybody.